How to make everyone can see your birthyear on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your birthyear on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information and here you will find birthday. Click this pin here and now just you will find your birthday here. Click this icon and click public and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.